Planning your pregnancy? I, Dr. Anita Chaudhary, will tell you how to become pregnant. Hi, Mommy. It's a wonderful thought that you're planning your pregnancy. I'm glad you're doing it by choice and it's not happening by chance. In this video, I will share certain medical information because when you're informed medically, it becomes slightly easier for you to follow and become pregnant. What is important is your mental health, your physical health, and the social environment around you. Everything has an impact on your pregnancy. Late marriages, your career, all these things create certain doubts, certain fears, and a lot of anxiety when you're planning your pregnancy. Stress has become such an integral part of our life that it is impacting our family life and even our future plans about having a child. I'm sure you want a natural pregnancy and you don't want to visit an infertility expert like me or visit an infertility clinic. Let's see the science behind conception, how it all goes about. The best time to conceive and what is the success rate, and the most important thing is your health and your most fertile period. The fertile window, you must know about it. In a very healthy couple, when both are absolutely healthy mentally, physically, the result is only 20 to 25% of your chances of becoming pregnant in that particular cycle. So if you have unprotected sex for about 1 year, then you stand 84% chances of becoming pregnant. These days, like every 4th or 5th woman is going through challenges of becoming pregnant. So keep trying for 6 to 12 months. Your fertile window, the man has no fertile period. It is only for us women which matters. So your ovulation, you must know a little bit about your ovulation and a little bit about your physiology and your body anatomy. So the sperm has a long journey to go. So it goes from the vagina into the cervix, into the uterus and into the fallopian tube, and at ovulation time it meets the ova. In the fallopian tube the fertilization happens and then it slowly moves and comes into your uterus and it gets impregnated. So now talking about ovulation, what is it? Every month after your periods, a follicle starts developing and at ovulation it matures and the egg is released, which goes into your fallopian tubes for fertilization. So now how do you get to know about the ovulation when it is happening? So there are certain signs in the body. You might have increased basal body temperature. Your body temperature when taken early in the morning could be a little higher, maybe 1 degree higher than normal. You might have more vaginal discharge. You might feel that wetness and you might have more desire to go in for sex during that time. There are certain medical tests in which we know for sure that you're ovulating. One is an ultrasound technique which is done by us. It is a transvaginal ultrasound in which we see the mature follicle and when it is rupturing. Another simple test that you can do at home is ovulation kits. Ovulation kits are available in the market in a set of 5. So we ask you to do that in your fertile window period. So that way you get to know. When you get 2 lines, you know that is a fertile period and that's the best time to be very lovey-dovey. Another thing which is very, very important and very common is to have sex 1 or 2 days before your ovulation or 1 or 2 days around ovulation, because the sperm lives in the tract for 48 to 72 hours. The ova has a lesser life, so it is important for the sperms to be there. So having intercourse every alternate day around your ovulation time, that is the mid-cycle. So that will give you the best chances of becoming pregnant in this particular cycle. Then there are certain impediments. Women who have PCOS, who have anorexia, who are very obese. Obese women, we must make sure that our BMI is only around 20 to 25 for easy conception. You might have some thyroid issues, you might have some infection in the uterus, or you might have some issues with your fallopian tubes which could become an impediment, and that only the doctor will tell you. Age is another very important factor. For men, age is no factor at all, but in women we have noticed the younger the better. If you are between 19 to 26 years of age, you stand a 92% chance of conceiving. And if you are between 35 to 39 years of age, it drops down by 10%. So there are only 82% chances of you becoming pregnant. What you need to know is, if you are above 35 years of age, you will try only for 6 months. If you're not successful, you need to go and see a doctor. The others must have patience and have regular intercourse around the ovulation time to get best results. The rest of the time, you can enjoy sex, but to plan your pregnancy, it is important to have unprotected intercourse around the ovulation time. If you have any habit, that means both, must stop smoking, stop alcohol, or any kind of addiction that you have. For men, it is important to notice their previous history. If they've had mums, that could be a cause of infertility, and ask your mother if you were born a breech. Sometimes an impacted breech can also cause reduced sperm count, which could become a challenge now. If there are any erectile dysfunctions, you need to see your doctor. But for the girls, make sure you are healthy, physically fit. For that, you must visit the gym, yoga, swimming, cycling, anything that you enjoy. But it is important to keep your body fit. Walking is one of the most easy and simple exercises that you can do. Remember to keep your mind and your soul healthy. For that, you can do meditation. See our iMoms app. We have lots of meditations in that, and we have harmonizing music which will give you such soothing effect, and all this will reduce your stress levels and help you to become pregnant easier. One of the most important things is our diet. Keep a control on your diet. Reduce your carbohydrates, reduce your fats, increase your minerals, and increase your antioxidants. So with these small little things, I'm sure your journey of becoming pregnant and your journey of becoming a mother will be fulfilled very easily. Please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and press the bell icon. We have a very important iMoms app made specially for you. Please download that right now. Thank you and namaste.